how to recover deleted Gmail account on Android. So if you want to recover your deleted Gmail account on Android, then what you need to do is first open up your Google or your browser, anything that you are comfortable with. And once you're with your browser, now you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for Gmail account recovery. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to recover your deleted Gmail account, then to recover your deleted Gmail account, you just need to simply log in back to your account within 1 month or within the grace period. And once you log into your account, then your account will be recovered. But if it is more than 1 month, then it might have been permanently deleted. So you just need to simply go with recover your Google account or your Gmail. Tap on the first option and it will take you to support.google.com. Scroll down and then go with recover your account. And here you need to enter your email or your phone number and then go with next. And you can use your fingerprint, face or screen lock and then go with continue. Or if you don't have the screen lock, you can go with try another way, which is on the left side, and then you can recover your account with the email or the mobile number that you have. So that's it. That's how you can recover your deleted Gmail account on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.